Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Ramya from first year CSBS. In studying in Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangalore. Here talk about my innovation topic is digital shopping mall. Introduction. A digital shopping mall, also known as any online shopping mall or email, is a virtual marketplace on the internet where consumers can browse and purchase a wide variety of products and services from multiple vendors, all within a single online platform. It brings the convenience of shopping to the digital realm, allowing customers to shop for everything from clothing and electronics to groceries and services without leaving their homes. Consumers can explore any extensive catalog or products, compare prices and features, road product reviews, and make purchases securely. Digital shopping mall advantages. Shoppers can browse and purchase products from the comfort of their homes or on the go, eliminating the need to travel to physical stores. Digital mall often features a vast selection of products and brands, providing consumers with a wide range of choices. Shoppers can easily compare prices and find the best deals by using price comparison tools and reading product reviews. Many digital malls use algorithm to recommended products based on a shopper's preferences, the shopping experience. Online shopping eliminates the need to deal with the crowded stores and long checkout lines. Disadvantages. Shoppers cannot physically inspect product before purchasing, which can lead to dissatisfaction if the product does not meet their expectations. Online shopping carries the risk of cyber attacks, identity theft, and fraud, which can compromise sensitive information. While returns are convenient, they can still be hassle, requiring packaging, shipping, and waiting for refunds or replacement. Shipping fees can add to the overall cost, and there may be delay in receiving items, especially for international orders. Thank you.